Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy of Van Ahn & Company. It's Thursday, March 24th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. Really what you saw was beans leading the way higher as they continue to find support at this 200-day moving average, which is around 904 on that front contract. You started the day off a little bit lower actually on morning trade, and you were able to find that support above 200-day moving average. And getting to the point you sold off 2 days ago. 2 days ago we hit a high of 914 and sold off a little bit. Today we came up to 911 3/4. So you have that pressure there. And you closed just slightly off those highs, but nonetheless about 5.5 cents higher. That's 13 cents higher on the week. Corn came in and closed 1 3/4 higher. That's about 3 cents higher on the week. It's just along for the ride. It can't get a whole lot of attention, doesn't want to move too much. It's stuck between about 367 and 371 off that front contract. That's a 50-day moving average and a 100-day moving average, so the pressure's there. And then wheat actually was about a penny lower almost all day long until you saw towards the close some buying come into Minneapolis wheat, closing up about 2 3/4 cents, closing up 5.5 cents on the week. What you saw there was you're coming into an extended weekend, and it's a big weekend weather-wise for a lot of that winter wheat area. They're calling for the chance of some hard freezes once again. You have to wait to see, what was the reaction from the last freeze yet. You should know the full details of that pretty soon. You'll get crop progress on Monday. But like I said, you're also coming into a long holiday weekend. No markets tomorrow on Friday, Good Friday, and then coming back on Monday. And so, you get a little bit antsy after that. And not only that, but you're coming into a very important report on the 31st, planting intentions there. You'll see if beans really bought any acres, and then you're also coming into some quarterly stocks. So it's a big report there. And then the meat market's really traded both sides of things. It does look like people are expecting a little bit of an unfriendly hog and pig report tomorrow, as you saw some selling pressure come into the pigs, down about $1.80. You have your summer contracts against some solid support. So we'll see where this report comes in tomorrow, and then trade will follow through on Monday. Those outside markets didn't do a whole lot. Crude was slightly lower. It was down just over $1 at one point, but closed down about 40 to 60 cents lower as it's coming off its recent high. That puts it at about $38 a barrel. So it's getting down there, but it's about mid-zone in between the recent low and recent high. Other than that, we'll see how this weekend pairs up weather-wise, and we'll see you on Monday. Have a great holiday weekend and happy Easter. Have a great day. I do have to close with a disclaimer. Trading futures and options involves risk of loss, may not be suitable for all producers.